This is a simple but very effective way to cleanse your colon or your colon detox. All you need is 16 ounces, glass of warm water. You want to squeeze a lemon in there, or if you have lime, you want to put the whole lemon. You want to put 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt in there as well. You want to mix that together really well, and you want to drink it first thing in the morning. Throughout the day, you want to be drinking a lot of water. No cooked food, no sugars, no oils, no dairy. You can be juicing, green juicing with kale, spinach, celery, and at the end of the day, you probably want a light soup. There is a saying that death begins in the colon. The colon must be emptied daily and cleansed regularly. You should do your colon cleanse quarterly. Try it. Very simple, very effective.